So it rattles at first and then it's fine?
It does it more when you're driving it.
And what's it sound like when you give it some gas?
Did you hear that clunk because I got up to about 2,500 RPM?
I don't think that's rod knock.
Definitely not right, whatever it is.
All right, do it again. Give it some gas. Huh. I think it's that timing tensioner.